If you're having trouble enabling multiplayer in GTA 5, follow these simple steps to troubleshoot and get back into the game. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working. You can do this by testing other online services or games to confirm that your connection is not the issue. Step 2. Update the game. Make sure that your version of GTA 5 is up to date. Check for any available updates through your gaming platform, Steam, Epic Games, etc., and install them if necessary. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're playing on PC, use the platform's feature to verify the integrity of the game files. This will check for any missing or corrupted files and replace them automatically. Step 4. Restart your console or PC. Sometimes, simply restarting your gaming device can resolve connectivity issues. Turn off your console or PC completely, wait a few moments, and then turn it back on. Step 5. Check for server issues. Visit the official Rockstar Games website or social media channels to see if there are any ongoing server issues or maintenance that could be affecting multiplayer access. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve issues with enabling multiplayer in GTA 5. If problems persist, consider reaching out to Rockstar support for further assistance.